Make a great choice today with the 2022 Highlander Hybrid. The Highlander Hybrid is equipped with the standard 3.3-liter V6 270 horsepower hybrid engine that achieves 27 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. Offering a spacious interior, smooth ride, and refined hybrid powertrain, the Highlander is an excellent family vehicle that combines exceptional fuel economy and a spacious, well-appointed interior. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front stabilizer bar, power brakes, rear stabilizer bar, braking assist, battery saver, regenerative braking system. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.